Hi there, welcome to IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Updating a cryptocurrency portfolio, something I've been doing for a year or so. So here I'm going to just do a quick update, share my screen. This is a spreadsheet I've been updating for a year or so. You can check the videos on this channel. And you can see the very first one underneath this. Underneath this video, it shows you the very first video, how it got started. So today is the 4th of March. Look at the figures on this page here. There's a portfolio with tracking, so it consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of altcoins, and that's the total. US dollars, British pounds, and this is the percentage split. So here we have 109,864. 109,864. 109,864.94. And the top one is 151,00998. 151,009.98. So that's the total portfolio. So let's just extrapolate. So we've got basically down 7,000, so that will stay red. Altcoins are down $7,074. Bitcoin is down 2,729, and the total portfolio is down 9,804. So things are going on a downward trend at the moment. Let's take a closer look at the markets. Cryptocurrency total market cap is at 1.77 trillion, with a high today of 1.8. And looking at the Bitcoin, the 200-day moving average on the 3-day seems to be, it might be using this 200-day moving average as support. It's bounced on it, went up, bounced again, it's gone up. So we'll see what happens when this comes down and whether it will use it as a support or break through it. But either way, it seems to be on track for another death cross, as I've said in previous videos, around the 19th of May or thereabouts in May. And that's under the 3-day chart. So we've had one under the 1-day chart. That was in the 14th of January. We had one under the 2-day chart, which was on the 16th of February. And now we're heading for another one under the 3-day chart. And these obviously have been in line with the decline of the price action. So when you ever have a death push, you get a downward in price action. So it's no surprise. So this should happen. There will be a further downward trend until it reaches a support, and then it will bounce up and move upwards. So it's to be expected. This particular indicator is showing that even though the red and the green came together, and we thought maybe the green was going to go on top and we're going to go into a bearish trend because we were looking a little bearish with the 45,000. But that was very weak, as I explained in the last video. The trend, the upward trend, was not very strong, so it wouldn't last. That's why we have a quick reversal and we're back in the downward trend. So the red is on top. When the red is on top, we're in a downward trend. When the green is on top, we're on a bullish trend. So here we're on a small bullish trend. It wasn't a very strong bullish trend because this yellow line is pointing downwards. So it shows whatever's trending is very weak. If it was pointing upwards sharply, like something like this, you see this was a downward trend, and this particular part, because it was pointing upwards, shows it was a very strong downtrend. And we do get them in the uptrend as well, if you look out far enough. All this, I mean, shows a downtrend in November and a very strong downtrend because of this. But here in October, we had an uptrend and a very strong uptrend. So right now we've got a downtrend. It's still a little weak, but it's downtrend is stronger than the uptrend right now. So we have to wait for, see how this plays out and see if they're going to cross over. Okay, we'll keep you posted. Make sure you keep an eye on this video so that you can keep updated. But it looks like, until this death cross plays out or not. Now, if the price starts to go up, this death cross may not happen. But if things are going in the way they're going, it looks like it's on track to happen sometime in May 19th, or give or take a week. And then that should be, the Bitcoin should hit a bottom and then make its way up. If it falls below this support line, it's definitely going to happen. But we shall watch and see. No such thing as definite with Bitcoin, just have to watch. But this is the trend at the moment. The trend is downwards. It hasn't changed since really the, I would say November the 12th, that downward trend. But the interesting thing about the downward trend is it went down, but it's held support. So this is pretty interesting. We'll see what happens the next few days if these candles bounce off the 200 days moving average. We'll know that it's a very strong support line. Or it may come crashing through it. We shall watch and see. Make sure you go to our website, IamWealthyandRich.com, and get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy in the short form. And we'll send that to you straight away. Make sure you watch all the videos and apply them, and also the investment strategy, and also there's some download reports that you can download to also educate yourself about understanding the game of money and how to play it well. So with that, I will thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.